ARK is a blockchain and ecosystem with fast 8-second transfer times and near zero fees. There are many ways to get your hands on some ARK coins, but today, let's take a look at 5. The first way to get ARK is super easy. Games and Faucets. ARKFund.io is operated by Delegate Fund on the ARK Public Network, and you can play games for free with real ARK prizes daily. You can also visit the Faucets operated by Delegates Biz Classic and Dell to receive a little ARK for free by clicking the faucet. Learn more on the ARK YouTube channel. If you have an online business or plan to start one, you can accept ARK on your site in a simple way using cryptocurrencycheckout.com. Their service integrates with gateways such as Shopify and BigCommerce. You can also accept ARK on your e-commerce site through nowpayments.io, a partner of MarketSquare. ARK.io is the business entity that works with open source developers to maintain the codebase. If you're a developer, you can submit a proposal to ARK Grants and receive ARK to execute your idea, whether it be a proof of concept, wallet plugin, or full production-ready application. The next way is super simple. CoinKit allows anyone to integrate cryptocurrency tipping in their chats and social media. By following MarketSquare on Twitter at HelloMSQ and interacting with our tweets, you can win ARK cryptocurrency. You can also receive tips in ARK via CoinKit on Twitter and Discord, and via ARK Tipper on Reddit made by Delegate Cryptology. Here's another way to get ARK. If you already have some, you can vote with your ARK for a delegate on the ARK Public Network. Some delegates voluntarily participate in commission arrangements, which means that voters can get a proportional amount of newly generated ARK coins based on their voting power. Voting does not send your funds to the delegate, and voting can still take place while your wallets are offline. I'm Justin, and you're watching 5 on MarketSquare, the new homepage for the decentralized web. Follow us and subscribe, join our Discord, and get your free account at MarketSquare.io. See you next time.